so nice. Wow!
Hello, my name is Wafa, and today I'm going to show you how to make fluffy slime. This is a borax. You don't really have the box, okay? And this is shaving cream, lemon lime smell, and some clear glue, but we don't really have the real glue.
The big bottle, right?
Yeah.
We couldn't find the big bottle, so we just got these small ones.
And we have
What is that?
contact solution.
Eye contact solution.
And some food coloring.
What colors are those?
Oh, those are rose pink and true blue. And we have a spoon and a
Measuring cup.
measuring cup.
Measuring
we,
cup.
we are going to fill with water, and this is hot water. I have to be very careful, and I'm going to make 1 tablespoon of borax, and then I'm going to mix it until it's clearly dissolved. Wow, this is kind of hard. Is this enough?
Okay, gonna mix it.
Whoa! Looks so white, like a coconut juice. Food coloring.
You've been playing with the food coloring.
And then I touched it, and I thought it was just going to become a little, but actually it was a lot.
Yeah, I think that's okay.
Okay, so now I'm going to put all of this glue inside. And now I'm going to add some food coloring in this half a cup of water. So I'm going to make purple.
Okay, so how are you gonna make purple?
Blue and pink.
Blue mixed with pink makes purple?
Yes, I think.
Okay.
Is that enough?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Now my hands are clean. Open Amro. This one? Yeah. You want to do it? But if you do it after that, your hands will be like this.
It's okay, that's mine.
That's enough. That's enough, Amro. Yeah, you so much.
You wanna mix it a bit? Did you put too much?
Amro did. Whoa. So cool.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Want to
look.
put in some more red?
No, I
To
like
make it purple?
I like it right now. So now I'm going to pour it into the glue. Whoa. Look at this.
Whoa, it's a nice blue color. Ooh,
it's so
lovely.
I'm going to put all. Can you open? Say.
So this is the fun part.
Whoa. Ew.
Don't lick it. It's not food.
I know. Wait, can you show that for
Whoa.
Can you show that to me again?
Hey.
It's like so. I didn't
Yes.
lick it.
What does it smell like?
Lemon lime.
Lemon lime. Yeah, it says there on the label, right? It says
Yeah.
lemon lime flavor.
Okay, there's still more, but I can't get it out. Fingers. Amro, can you do the honor, please? What do you mean honor?
Corner of
That's
spraying in some more
Oops. Let me do it.
shaving cream.
Yeah. Oh no, it looks like a slime monster.
Yeah.
Smells so good. Let's go. Whoa.
Okay, hurry and mix.
So big! Whoa, there's so many at the bottom.
No need to make slime that just by shape.
Yay, shaking slime!
Ooh, that looks like fun.
Yeah, it is. It's looking so yummy. See? Also,
Come on for next ingredient.
this.
Are you gonna wash your hands or something?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
What is that?
I contact solution, which can't go down.
Squeeze it. Some more.
I cannot squeeze it.
There you are. You're squeezing it.
Now I'm going to pour it. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of borax and water. But it's kind of getting some slime. Done. Now I'm going to mix it. Again, use my hands. It's getting slimy. Oh. Whoa. Okay.
Okay, so I got you a tray. You're gonna put this all on a tray and then play with it. How does it feel?
It feels sticky.
Ew, it's sticky and slimy and gooey.
Play with it. The more we play, the more fluffy.
Yeah, and the less sticky it will get, right?
Yes. Not like that. You have to do like this. Okay, so we made fluffy slime. See, when we hold on there, it doesn't. It's clean.
Yeah, it doesn't stick anymore. Yeah, it took a long time, quite a while, right?
Yeah.
We really had to play with it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yay! Dah jadi dah slime.
Yeah. We made fluffy slime.
Okay, how do you know when this is the real thing? When
Okay, when it's sticky, that means you still have to play with it. But if you press it and it's clean, that means it's done.
Really? Now it's clean? Can
Yeah.
you touch it? Yeah, it doesn't stick to your hands anymore. Yay! That means now you've...
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, and don't forget to subscribe and like to Little Miss Wafa.
Yeah, and also you can give your comments in the box below.
You can check my channel on YouTube Studios.
Yeah. Ooh, slime! So excited!
The slime monster.